What's right ability?
If you watch
murder.
Mini Lego set, Mini Lego airplane, watch that before watch this video because then it will make more sense. Today we are making the upgrade version.
Okay guys, this is going to be our last level before this part is over of Plants vs. Zombies Part 3. Sorry if there's two Plants vs. Zombies or Part 1 or 2 Plants vs. Zombies Part 2. Because me and Aiden are both making a series, right Aiden?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Then you're going to need food. Then you're going to need this piece for the wing. Need 2 of these light pieces. In the back like that. Take this piece. That piece like that. Take this too.
We'll upgrade those later. And now we're going to do our last level. This will be the longest level in the series so far. I meant longest part.
Then you got like the base and stuff. You're gonna need another one of these.
This is also where we unlock Icy. I wish I could call it Ice Cube.
Then take this.
I call Ice the Ice Cube. Come on, instructions. You're making my video even more long. Seriously, I have to upgrade these. Oh god. Please. Well guys, because of this dumb thing, we have to end the video right here. Bye. That dumb, stupid thing. I was so close to get a 3 battle until I had to ruin it. Yeah, continue.
Okay guys, this piece.
Okay, nice information.
Like this.
Hey guys, welcome to another video. Your bro Beatbot here with the one level.
And it's not the one with the robot one, right, Niels?
We're just doing one level, so we can unlock Icy. This is gonna be part 4, just this one level.
Okay guys, then you make it.
What?
That.
And because we have to waste half our time because of that dumb, dang upgrading thing. It told me to find more and upgrade your dumb character right now. You have to. It forces you to.
Then take this.
At the beginning, it's not you. Oh my gosh, stop getting off the game. Oh my gosh, stop showing this blue thing.
No.
Okay, perfect. It means nothing. That wasn't on all our tablets before we even knew about the hacker. I'm not on my tablet.
Okay.
It's not accurate. That just happens sometimes, but it's kind of annoying me now.
Okay, done.
And that's not a hat. That's a glitch.
Then right there. Okay, guys, and that is upgrade. The mini aircraft. It's a lot more cooler. You can build it. Follow your instructions here. Bye. Jonathan Bricks, if you're watching this, I love your YouTube channel. I subscribed. I like the trailer. Make sure to subscribe to me. Bye, Jonathan Bricks. Now you are the subscribers out. Bye.